Hi everybody, this is Nick Skiba here with you, and a 2011 F-150 FX-4, which in the day meant leather lariat. And this one's a 5-liter V8, can tow 9,700 pounds, has black leather interior as you can see, and a center console. We'll just come right across the dash here. So this is in the era before there was a whole lot of touchscreens. We do have heated seats. And 128,000 miles. This engine is purring like a kitten. It is very well maintained, locally owned. I sold it new, and the customers came back in and upgraded to a newer vehicle, and they took very good care of this one, so it's local. You can see there's usage in the bed, but it's really not terrible, and there's a nice tonneau cover on the top. Couple of dings in the tailgate. You know, nothing serious or out of place for the age and use of the vehicle. Parking sensors on this one. Tires are good, but they're a little graveled. You can see that there. Just some gravel, but they are good. And we'll take you back through again, show you just what you're looking at here. The dash on this nice F-150 FX-4. Lots of rear legroom. Sony sound system. And clean and straight body, except for a couple of those marks on the tailgate there. And I would say you could do a whole lot worse. Come check this one out at Snowy Mountain Motors.